my channel, welcome if you're new. Today I'm bringing you another flower inspired makeup look, and this time around it's going to be the sunflower. Thank you Vanessa for requesting this sunflower look, and she also has a channel. Every time I mention someone, just so you guys know, check them out. I always have their information down in the description box. And remember guys, I try to keep this fun but still wearable. You can always add more to these looks if you'd like. Yeah, let's just get right into it. I do want to begin with priming my eyelid, so I'm just taking my Revlon for that and blending it out with my finger. Then I'll be going in with the Juvias Play Zulu palette, and I haven't played with this little baby in quite a while. I'm going to begin by picking up the orange shade with a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to begin to apply this into the inner part of my crease. And as always, I like to stamp on my pigment first and then focus on the blending part later. Once I get to about that part is when I'll go in to wipe my brush, and then I go right above that to blend it. Wiping off that brush again, I'm going in with the brown now in that palette. And this is a very warm tone brown. I'm going to apply this now to the outer part of my crease, blending it into that orange. I'm going to kind of drag it out here, just a tiny bit. Not too dramatic, but somewhat there. Then I'm just taking a clean brush to kind of clean up that bottom portion so it can be more sleek. And then run it a little bit on top. Give it a better blend. Next, I'm going to half cut my crease. So I'm taking the same Revlon concealer, applying it directly onto my eyelid. Remember, just halfway since I'm doing a half cut crease. Towards the bottom, then just look up. And that's going to mark where you do your cut crease. Then I just take a concealer brush and I'm going to be carving it out. I wiped off that brush and now I'm going in with the yellow in that same palette. And this yellow, you guessed it, I'm going to place right on top of where I cut my crease, right on top of that concealer. Now I'm taking a smaller blending brush and I'm going back in with that orange. And using this orange in my outer corner to blend that into the yellow and have a nice little gradient. After that, I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm going to be picking up this green right here. I was in between these two, but I decided to go in with this one. It's more of a darker green. And I'm going to begin placing that onto my lower lash line. And then with whatever is left over on my brush, I'm going to use it to blend it out. And then one last time, going back into the Zulu palette, and I'm going in with the shimmer green. And this one is going to be going right into my inner corner. Always start off smaller, and if you want to add more, go and add more. And I've noticed guys, I love my inner corner to be poppin'. So I know sometimes I do it exaggerated, but that's just my personal preference. You don't have to do it as much or as big and bold as I do. Again, everything is to your preference. But I do personally like it to be ba-bam in your face. For brow bone highlight, I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Curly Bybel palette, and you already know the gold that I'm going to use. This gold highlight, and I'll go ahead and use this also for my cheekbones. A little bit on my nose and Cupid's bow. Let's go ahead and finish with the rest of my face. To finish off the eyes. Now this is completely optional, but I feel like I need a little bit something. So I'm going in with my NYX Glitter Liquid Crystal Body Liner. I always forget what these are called, but yes. And this one is in Crystal Gold. So I'm going to just apply that where I cut my crease. And you want to make sure when you do this, you want to make sure it's completely dry before like moving your eye around and all that, because you don't want to get it everywhere. And then finally onto lips. I feel like this look needs a little bit more brown, because you know how like the sunflower has that brown middle. So I am going to be doing like a brownish lip. This will look perfect with a nude lip and like a gloss on top of it, but I've been doing too much of that. So I'm going to begin first with eyeliner. First, I am going to begin with a lip liner. This is the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in Deeply Intoxicated. It is like a deep brown, but it does have like a red tint. It looks more red on camera than it does in person. I don't know about that. But on top of that, we are going to be applying the NYX Lingerie Matte Lip in Beauty Mark. And this is going to like really like pull the look together. Video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did enjoy, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you are not yet. Thank you so much for watching, and talk to you soon. Bye!